So our lesson for today is the images. So I will explain how to insert images in HTML file. Images are very important to beautify as well as to depict many complex concepts in simple way on your web page. So this lesson will take you through simple steps to use images in your web pages. So you can insert any image in your web page by using the image tag. Following this the simple syntax to use this tag. So I have here the example. So these are the syntax I created. So the image tag is an empty tag, which means that it can contain only list of attributes and it has no closing tag. So to try following examples, let's keep our HTML file, the image that's that HTML file, and image file is our html-css3.jpg. So this will produce this result. And then after that, you can use PNG, JPEG, or GIF image file based on your comfort, but make sure you specify correct image file name in source attribute. Image name is always case sensitive. That attribute is a mandatory attribute which specifies an alternate text for an image if the image cannot be displayed. So the next, we need to set our image location. So usually we keep our all the images in a separate directory. So let's keep HTML file, the image1.html. So in our home directory and create a subdirectory images. So assuming our image location is here, then select this image, then right click, then select its properties. You will see the location here. Just copy this location and put in the source of our source code. And then if you will open this in the browser, you will see the image move in here. So we need to set up our image width and height. So you can set image width and height based on your requirement using width and height attributes. So this is the width and the height attributes. So you can specify width and height of the image in terms of either pixels or percentage of its actual size. So this is my example. My image will become smaller unlike the other example I showed. So the next, we need to set up our image border. So by default, image will have a border around it. So you can specify border thickness in terms of pixels using border attribute. So a thickness of 0 means no border around the picture. So I created a border. So it has 3 values. So when you open it in the browser, it has a border. The next and the lastly, we need to set our image alignment. So by default, image will align at the left side of the page, but you can use align attribute to set it on the center or right. So this is the attribute. Just change the value if you want. So I enter the right. So this will produce the following result. The image go to the right. So that's all. I hope you learn a lot in this lesson.